Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Okay guys, I am so embarrassed because I have had this Happy Mail in my possession for probably a couple of months. But you know, my life has been so hectic here lately that I am just right now I'm just now catching up on everyday life. So I thought I have a few minutes. I want to see what's in this box. I have not checked out what is in the box. So guys, this was sent to me from Lisa Goss. She is Happy Crafter here on YouTube. And Lisa, I apologize over and over, but thank you so much. I can't wait to see what's in here because I truly have not checked it out. So first of all, she used purple, and you guys know purple is my favorite color. So she made this beautiful box of goodies, and it looks like she fussy cut some flowers out of paper, but I don't know what paper line that might be. Beautiful 2-layer bow there. And then look at these flowers, guys. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. The butterfly, these little crystal pieces here, you know, the leaves in the back, these hollow leaves, beautiful. Everything is gorgeous. I just love the box. So I'm going to open up the box and we're going to see what's in here. Like I said, I don't know what's in here, but I will probably move the box out of the way. Look, she even lined the inside of the box, and I just love this paper right here. So I'm gonna probably move the box out of the way and just take things out as they present themselves, so we can have a little more space to see what's in there. So the first thing I see that she shared were some charcuterie boards, and I should have opened this sooner. I could have used this for one of my last swaps, but she shared some charcuterie boards with me. Thank you, Lisa. I have none of these, so I'm sure that I'll be able to, you know, make something pretty with those. And then she sent me some of her flowers. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Just love the purple. Oh, they are so pretty. And look at this paper. I just love wooden, you know, the wood grain paper in different colors, and that is just so pretty. I just love that. And I know, you know what, I just finished one night I couldn't sleep, so I started crafting, and I crafted in purple. I sure could have used these, but that's what I get for not opening it sooner, you know, closer to the time that I got it. So thank you, Lisa. And then look at all these balls in here. All these she put a, you know, real pretty filler balls, and it just looks so pretty. So she also sent me, this one is going to go in my pin caddy right now. She sent me a very beautiful gold pin, gold beaded pin. It's beaded in purples. How pretty. I just love these beads. All of them are beautiful. Look at the little dangle. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty, Lisa. Love it. Thank you so much. Oh, that is pretty. So there we go. It's going in my pin caddy. And then she sent me a ready to bead dangle. Just give me coffee and nobody gets hurt. That's so cute. And then she sent me another one, and this one is a boba cup. At least I think it's boba. Iced coffee probably. So pretty. And then she also sent me some sentiments. Oh, how pretty. Life is tough, but so are you. Oh, how pretty. Look at that with the purple butterflies. At least I'm thinking they're sentiments. And then there's her little handmade by Happy Crafter, her little sticker. I think that's what those are. Yeah, those are sentiments. Oh, how pretty. I just love that. Oh, so pretty. Thank you, Lisa. I don't want to squash my flowers over there. But she did send me a card. Oh, how pretty. Oh my gosh, look at the little butterflies. It's got different colors, or layers. Beautiful flowers, so pretty. And this one is a card. Oh, this is a card that I can use. I can use this card, to send out to someone. So this one says on the inside, get well soon. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. So pretty. Thank you, Lisa. And then she sent me a bag with the Velcro dots, the tiny ones. And they have all colors, blacks, greens, blues. Just so pretty. Yellows, pinks, cream. Oh, thank you, Lisa. I have a drawer just for my Velcro stuff. So I'm going to put this in the drawer right now. Okay, because like I said, I should have done this a long time ago, and there's a space for everything. I just haven't done anything with this box. So here's another little bag, organza bag. And in this organza bag, look guys, she's got Christmas stuff in here. That's how long it's been that I've had this bag. Seriously. Oh, she sent me some of the beads. I don't have any of these beads. I bet these are gonna look so pretty with something on the front. Oh, I love those. Thank you, Lisa. And then she sent me the alphabet. She sent me 2 packages of the alphabets. Okay. And then she sent me alphabets. There we go. Thank you, Lisa. I can use those as well. And then she sent me some of her sequin balls, guys. Oh, I just love her shaker balls. I just love these balls. I really, really do. And then the little Christmas trees. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lisa. You know what? I have a drawer for all my sequins. And I'm going to put that in the drawer right now. And then all of these, I am going to go ahead and put them in the, I have a little area where I keep all my beads. So I'm going to do that. Oh my gosh, guys, I could have done this so long ago and I just didn't. So here's another little package, and let's see what is in this one. This is a small embellishment box. And oh, she sent me some of her flowers. No, I have to take them off of there, because if not, then I won't put them where they go. So she sent me some flowers. So pretty. Don't you guys just love her flowers? Oh, her flowers come out so pretty. And believe it or not, I have a box for all those flowers as well. And then look at this box, guys. Look at everything this box has. Ah, those are so pretty. Look at these, have red and green on them. So pretty. These little gingerbreads. Oh, these are so adorable. Man, I am set for next Christmas. Look at that. How pretty. Oh, Merry Christmas. Oh, this is so cute. That is adorable. And then these, these are everyday beads. Those are beautiful, gold and cream colored. And these I can, use for a coffee theme something. And then there's some more cabochons. So pretty. Oh, I just love these beads. I really do. Those are so pretty. Something shabby chic. Oh, these gingerbreads are so cute. And then here's another gingerbread and a little snowman. How cute. Thank you, Lisa. Oh, so adorable. I will use them for sure. And then last but not least, here is a package of findings. So there are jump rings in quite a few different sizes. Let's open this up. Oops. Let's open this up. Okay, opening this package. Let's open this package and see what's in here. Oh, they're all individually packaged. These are the the little clamps that people use for the ribbon tassels, and I sure will use those. And then some lobster clasps. I love that everything is in gold. I have everything in silver. So, oh, these are tiny ones. Oh, these are tiny little, I don't know what the official name are, but these are smaller than the first ones. Oh, yeah, with some really thin ribbon would look pretty. And then here are some, what are these? I'm not sure what these are used for, but I'm sure that Lisa will let me know, or I will figure out what to do with them. They're not going to stay in here forever. And here are some jump rings in this small size, a larger size, a larger, and even a really large size. So cool. Thank you, Lisa. I really appreciate everything that you sent me. Everything is beautiful. I am so sorry that it is taking me this long to open it up and show everyone all the goodies that you've sent me. I appreciate it so much, Lisa. I really do. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.